Have you ever wondered how you can make money from your Facebook page? In today's digital era, your Facebook page holds enormous potential. It's more than just a platform to connect with people. It's a powerful tool that can turn into a source of income. Social media has revolutionized the way we do business, and Facebook is at the forefront of this change. So, are you ready to tap into this potential? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 ways to turn your Facebook page into a money-making machine. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is affiliate marketing. This strategy is all about promoting products or services from other businesses. Here's how it works. You share links or codes for these products on your Facebook page. When your followers make a purchase using your link or code, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You provide value to your followers by recommending products you believe in, and you earn revenue in the process. So if you have a knack for recommending products, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to cashing in on your Facebook page. Moving down our list, we land at number 4, sponsored posts. Like a treasure chest waiting to be unlocked, sponsored posts are a goldmine for those looking to monetize their Facebook page. You see, brands love visibility. They seek out platforms that can showcase their products or services to a large audience. Your Facebook page could be that platform. It's simple. You post, they pay. If you have a sizable following, brands might pay you to post about their products or services. Coming in at number 3, selling your own products or services. It might seem like a no-brainer, but it's surprising how many overlook this money-making avenue. By leveraging your Facebook page, you can market your own products or services directly to your followers. This is more than just sales, it's about building relationships, fostering trust, and creating a community around your brand. The benefits are clear and the potential earnings? Well, they're pretty exciting. Having your own product or service to sell directly to your followers can be a great way to turn a profit. Just missing the top spot at number 2, Facebook ads. Now let's take a deep dive into this gold mine. Facebook ads, folks, is more than just a promotional tool. It's a cash-generating machine if you know how to wield it right. It's all about targeting. You see, Facebook has this vast, intricate database of user interest, habits, and demographics. When you place an ad, you're not just throwing it into the digital void, you're strategically placing it in front of people who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. Getting started is straightforward. You set up an ad, you choose your target audience, and you set a budget. From there, Facebook does the heavy lifting, matching your ad to the people who need to see it. The potential for income? It's substantial. By mastering Facebook ads, you can transform your page into a powerful advertising platform. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 way to make money from your Facebook page, fan subscriptions. Imagine a scenario where your most loyal followers chip in a few dollars every month. They're not just doing it out of the goodness of their hearts, but for exclusive benefits and content that only you can provide. This is the magic of fan subscriptions. In 2024, this model has proven to be the top way to monetize a Facebook page. You're not just earning a steady stream of income, but you're also deepening your relationship with your fans. You're turning casual followers into a tight-knit community of supporters who are invested in what you do. The potential earnings here are substantial. 1,000 fans paying $5 a month? That's $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year. If you've built a strong community around your page, fan subscriptions could be your golden ticket to monetizing your Facebook page. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money from your Facebook page in 2024. From selling products and services to utilizing paid partnerships, leveraging Facebook ads, offering online courses, and maximizing affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless. Don't wait another day. Start exploring these options and see how you can turn your Facebook page into a money-making venture. Remember, the only limit to your earnings is your creativity and effort, so get out there and start monetizing. Art.